you searched how to buy shares of IGMS CVR delisting. IGMS CVR trades on NASDAQ under the ticker IGMS CVR. This is a brief educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IGMS CVR to find the listed instrument. Make sure you select the exact IGMS CVR entry shown by the platform. Open the asset page to see basic company details and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name and the IGMS CVR ticker match before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description for the platform shown in this demo.